This is the first time that Neosphere has set up a special program for investors on occasion of the Impact Festival, and StartHub is happy to act as a sponsor on behalf of the Hessian Ministry of Economic Affairs. The Impact Festival is Europe's largest B2B event for sustainable innovation, bringing together key stakeholders to accelerate sustainable transformation in our economy. Its aim is to bring together an impact-driven community and to match investors, startups, and corporates. This is not only honorable, but also urgently necessary. We are under enormous pressure, as we heard in the opening, to transform our fossil and resource-consumptive economy into a climate-neutral, social, responsible, and thus future-proof economy. And this transformation requires the development of new business models in order to generate new benefit and to create new jobs. That is why we support startup founders whose business models aim for economic, ecological, and social sustainability. In the future, the innovations of these startups will have a major impact on whether we succeed in transforming our economy and will be particularly relevant for CO2-intensive sectors like transport and energy supply. The Impact Festival and its investor conference contribute to this transformation by fostering collaborations between the different stakeholders, and in doing so, they put Hessen in the spotlight. We believe that Hessen is the perfect place for such a festival, as there are many financial and green startups in Hessen, and as Frankfurt is an established center of sustainable finance. The state of Hessen is already well known for fintechs, especially in Frankfurt, and deep tech in and around Darmstadt. But many more accelerators like the House of Logistics and Mobility or even space science like CESA are located here. And in 2022, the number of active startups rose to over 1,500, an increase of around 7% on the previous year. In view of the declining number of startups nationwide in 2022, this development is all the more positive. Our support infrastructure for startups is already very good here in Hessen, and we are working hard on making it even better. We offer funds and grants through the startup journey, including, for example, the PUSH grant that funds preferably, but not exclusively, startups that address the UN Sustainable Development Goals, or our public-private future funds, venture and regio growth. However, we are told again and again by various stakeholders that there is a need for more funding, especially private and venture capital. Green startups often face particular challenges in financing rounds because their business models and chances of success are complex to evaluate for investors. And the following speeches and keynotes will address these and other challenges and present possible solutions. And we hope that you use the conference as an opportunity to get to know each other and to network. And of course, we hope that in the end, this will result in investments in sustainability and green startups. So, have a pleasant, informative, and inspiring conference, and thank you very much for your attention.